welcome back to my channel, you guys. So on today's video, I'm going to be installing this wig, and this may just be my easiest and quickest install yet, because I literally tried this wig on and it fit me like a glove, you guys. Like literally like a glove. And I don't know if that's how all their wigs come or if it was just me, because I do have like a big cranium, so maybe that could be why. But so I'm gonna do like a little glueless install, literally glueless. I may use a bit of Got2b and Got2b spray, depending on how everything lays, but for the most part of this install, this is gonna be glueless. So today's wig is from Ft.SHE Lace Wig. They sent me this package, and literally it just came in like a little silk and satin bag with no logo on it, but that's no biggie because I love what they sent. So first they sent this wig, which is this straight wig, which is 22 inches and it looks pretty long to me. They also sent this glueless band, which I'm so excited about because this isn't like the other glueless bands where they'll just send you and it's just like literally just an elastic and you have to go in and sew it and cut it and customize everything yourself. They literally have placement inside of the wig cap for you to actually just clip the bands right in, which is so easy and perfect for people like that doesn't really know too much about wigs and it's everyday on the go type of thing. So I'm so happy that they did that. This wig is one of the fake scalp wigs, which means you literally can just throw this wig on without having to like really do much of like a cap or anything like that. But I just always put one on just because I do have some braids under here and I don't want them all crazy and wild everywhere. But this wig comes already like customized, and then it definitely has this nice part. And I love it. I really love like middle parts. They're just so perfect and straight. And this is like so perfect and straight, if you guys can see. I love it. And it also came, I was looking at the bag and I was wondering like, what is this? But then like once I took it out, it's literally a clip-in bang, which is so funny to me because I wanted to do like a clip-in bang for so long because I hate the idea of having to like have a wig just be like a bang only. So I have one of those wigs and it's like a really long wig and it's just like a bang. So they gave me this clip-in one, so I'll be happy to go in and play with this. Literally like thumbnail maybe. Literally can't wait to put that literally can't wait to put that bang in my head. But so for starters, this is a medium brown lace that they sent me. However, I really prefer a transparent lace just because I'm of lighter skin tone. But for all my like brown skin and caramel skin girls out there, this definitely could be the right lace color for you. So literally this wig's fitting like a glove. Like it's like so tight to my head and flesh, and I just love that about it. And then like I said, the hairline was already bleached. So you could go in more and customize if you'd like. I don't really feel the need to customize because like I said, I'm just gonna be wearing this in the middle part. So don't really feel like I need to customize it. But like literally look at this. So you just clip the bangs in. No, we're not wearing them like this. So obviously once I actually go in and put these clip-in bangs in, this is how they are. It just has like two little clips, and I'm assuming this you put along the part, your part or whatever. Because I hate when people just have like a bang coming out of nowhere. Like no sis, I like when it has like a part down the middle and then the bang. That looks so much more natural to me. But obviously, so what I think I want to do is after I put this in, I'm going to like flat iron it and then maybe cut it to make it a bit more choppy. I can already tell that this is like a blunt Chinese bang, and I don't really like Chinese bangs so much. I really like the natural wispy thin ones. So let's literally go right in and cut this lace. Tell me how you guys feel about the lighting. Like I said, I am at a new place, so my setup is a bit different. I don't have like the old setup that I had. So definitely let me know if you guys like the lighting or not, because I can always go in and adjust it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. Now, you know, this is a bit different for me because I usually cut my lace after it's glued down on my head. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it off while the wig is already like off of my head. Because like I said, I don't plan to do much customizing. So literally what I'm going to be doing is you want to really move the scissors like up and down kind of motion. Like imagine like the waves in the sea. This is how you want to cut the lace. So you don't have anything that's straight across or blunt, because that will cause a line of demarcation and it will not look natural, sis. So this is one side all cut. And as you can see, it's really irregular. And when you cut your lace, you want your lace to be very irregular, because like I said, that's going to be the most natural and it's not going to really leave a line of demarcation. Like that. Wasn't too bad. So let's see. And now to put the wig on. So, and I also did just go ahead and cut that back lace off. So now let's see how everything looks. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this hairline. First, we're gonna actually get this part nice and straight. So what I'm gonna do is make sure everything is centered down the middle of my hair, my head. And then I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. Do y'all literally see the difference I just made? From this side to this side. And then I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side. And just flat iron that top down to make everything really nice and flat. And like I said earlier, this hair is really sleek and nice and easy to work with. Literally one pass. I'm going to be going in with this Anastasia cream contour palette, and I'll be using this bottom middle shade for myself, and this is the color cream. It's not going to be bottom middle on the palette. On the palette, I think it was the first one on the top. And I'm just going to be using that to go ahead and line this part to make everything blend a little bit better with my scalp and look more natural. So now I'm going to go in with some WIG spray. If it's anything in here, let's see. Ooh, barely anything. So now I'm going to go in with some of my Pump It Up spray, just spraying this top lightly so I can make everything flat. I usually will go in with my WIG spray, but it's literally empty, so can't use that. And we're just going to go ahead and just make sure everything is nice and flat. So this wig looks really natural and sleek, and like I said, this hair is very, very silky. I probably said that already like 3 times in this video, but I can't get over it. I really like how silky this hair is, and my favorite thing about it is it doesn't have like a ton of fillers, and fillers are the little short hairs that are in wigs and bundles to make them fuller. Everything looks like pretty much straight. I don't get like a ton of flyaways going down the hair. Now this is something that could be like a throw and go type of wig, where you just throw it on and literally go, because it doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere unless I want it to. But if I wanted to, I could just pick it up, take it off. Let's see how I like it in the side part. Actually, I ain't gonna like it in the side part, I already know, because I like my side parts to be curved. But really like a nice throw and go type of situation. Let's see, we don't want no ape hairlines going on around here. But yes, it's like really pretty and silky, and I love it. So this is not the final look, so I'm definitely gonna go in and fix that bang up a little bit. So I'll show you guys how I fix that bang up, and then we're gonna go ahead and clip that bang in. So I just have this wig clipped onto my mannequin head, and what I'm going to do is like fix this cut on my mannequin head. So first I'm going to actually go in and redo this, reflat iron this bang. Now my mannequin head is like a little wonky and crooked because it's old. So I don't know what's going on with that. But now I'm just going to go in with my razor comb and just do it comb towards the ends. So now I'm just going to go in and point cut this bang a little bit to just break up that line even more. So we're just gonna go ahead and clip that bang right in after we just went in and flat iron and cut everything to our liking. And it is super easy, so literally I'm just sliding it in one side. So I just went ahead and clipped the bangs in, and I literally love it. It's so easy to work with and it's really versatile. I love the fact that I can just go ahead and just wear a middle part one day and then clip my bangs in the next day, and it looks like a different wig and nobody will ever know that it's the same wig. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go off camera and just do a little bit of makeup, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys about the pros and cons of this wig and how I feel about this hair. So this is the wig straight without the bang piece. I figured I would just show y'all how it look. So we're back, you guys, and this is the final look. So in love with this hair and this wig. So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the hair and the pros and cons and how I felt about it. So I'll start with the pros first. So the pros for this hair is, one, it's very silky. I said that like 10 times during this video. Like, I love how silky it is. Literally can run my hands through it all day, and it's like not thin is what I really like about it too. Like, I feel like a lot of silky hair is thin and like flimsy. Is that the word that I'm looking for? But this hair is not like that at all. Sorry, something is on my nose. Okay, there we go. Which I really like that this hair was very, very like silky. The next pro is this wig was completely glueless, so I don't have to do anything like to this wig. Like, usually when people do glueless, they'll like put in some extra tape or something like that, or like got to be gel and spray. I literally just put this wig on, as you guys saw during the video. Literally, that's a big pro for me because I don't have to really do anything. It's similar to a closure wig, but it's like a frontal. It's like a full lace, so like a frontal, so I can part it. I can go in and part it on the sides if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna do that because I really like this bang situation going on. The next pro about this wig was that it does have the fake scalp in it, so I really like that you don't have to do much bleaching or customization as far as that goes. I would recommend, if you wanted to wear this and show off the lace, that you go in and like pluck some. I didn't pluck anything because, like I said, I'm not really showing off the lace with this wig, so I didn't feel the need to pluck. The next pro on this wig is literally the fact that it came with the clip-in bangs. It came with the little elastic straps, and it came with the wig cap. I love when wigs come with like little gifts and stuff like that, and not just the wig itself. So that was a big pro for me. I really, really love these bangs. The next pro is the versatility. Like I said, I could definitely wear this wig with the bang today, and then tomorrow I could go in and take the bang out, and it's just like a nice middle part unit, however you want to style it. I will take it off right now and show you guys, but I literally didn't put any makeup on my forehead because I knew that the bang was going to be covering it, so I didn't really feel like putting any makeup on my forehead. So on to the cons. One big con about this wig for me is, it may not be a con for you, but it's just that the lace was dark. Now the lace was dark darker than my skin tone, so that was just something that I didn't really like. But like I said in this video, if someone was like a more brown skin, a dark skin, caramel skin type of complexion, it will probably work well for them. But just because I'm more lighter, it didn't really work for me. The next con on this hair is probably an easy fix. I think if you go in with bobby pins here to clip, like put bobby pin your hair back, you'll be good. But like if I show you guys, I kind of don't want to do it. But if I comb, so like say if I comb my bang, this hair, because it is in the middle part, and you guys know like the straight hair, it comes right here, it's gonna come like all in a bang. That was kind of irritating for me when I was going in and like combing and trying to resituate my bang. The long pieces kept on coming forward. But what I did was when I put it on the second time, I took the bang off and I put the unit hair behind my ears and then clipped the bang in, so that it didn't really give me like that much problem or hassle. So I think if you guys did come across that problem, it would be easily fixable by just going in, like I said, with some bobby pins to go ahead and just pin that hair back like in this area so it doesn't come in. This unit really looked very natural. That's what I really love about it. I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I look down. And I really like it. I really, like I said, I love when you have the parts with your Chinese bangs. That just makes them look 10 times better in my opinion. So I really like when you have the parts in the with the bangs. It just makes it look much more natural in my opinion. And I really love this look. Now, if you didn't really know how to go in and do much cutting and styling, that may be a con for you, because the bang did kind of come weird. Well, maybe just weird for me, because I don't really like my bangs like blunt straight across. I really like them to be more wispy and thin. So if you didn't know how to do that, that may be a con depending on how you like your bangs. But overall, the wig is really nice. It didn't give me much problems. I can literally say like I would definitely probably order from this company again, and I most likely next time will go in and probably get me like a transparent lace, because they do offer those. I worked with this company before and they gave me a really nice transparent lace, and it was some hair and it was really good. So I would definitely go in and probably order again from them, but like I said, I would just order a transparent lace instead. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you really like this look, definitely leave me a comment down below and like the video. If you guys have anything that you guys want to see on my channel, definitely let me know in the comments below as well. And if you aren't already, definitely subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.